Guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, how are you all doing? So guys, unbox with me. Let's do this mini unboxing together. So this is the first thing I got. This is my light. This is my phone light. Like if I want to snap picture, I will just put it on this light, okay, so that it will come out really bright. This is my ice cream. You all know that summer is coming, so I need to be doing homemade ice cream for my kids. I just bought that one. So this is my shoes. I got glass as well. Summer is coming, I need glass for sun. So this is the shoe that I was telling you guys about. If you need the link of the shoe, you can write me on my DM. I'll send you the link. If you need the link of any of these products, just write me message. So these are my glasses. That glass is very cheap, guys. If you want the link, you can let me know as well. Very cheap glass. So I got this purse. This is feed the bottle washing. The one I had for my children, I don't like them anymore, so I want to change. So I got this silicone set. It's so good, so nice. So I got this sorry guys, I got this earring. This one is to brush for my baby, brush for my son. This one, you shook your hand inside and use it to wash the teeth. It's very, very good. That's what I use for my son Joshua when he was this age as well. So this is ice cream stuff. So before you put ice cream, that can just shook this thing inside so that they can easily take it, and it's very good. And this is cutter. I got this ample cutter, or anything you want to use it to cut, to give you that best shape, So I got this set of Shein. It's first time. I just want to try it and see if it's good. I'm not a fan of Shein earrings and all that, except maybe when I want to do video. Sometimes I will just put it. I'm not really a fan of those stuff, but I have a lot at home. So this is my can. You guys, summer is coming. We need to pump the skin out. Like we need to enjoy ourselves. So this is my juice can that I got. They are so much. This is 500 milligrams, and I have the bottle one as well at home. So I need to be doing a lot of juice in this summer for myself, because I want to go back to my shape. I want to start my weight loss journey. Hey, so guys, this is the shoe. The shoe is so fluffy, beautiful and nice. And if you need any of this link, don't forget to tell me. Holla me on the comment section. I will send you the link ASAP. Okay, all right guys, bye.